also. Again, Bodoland, they're quite content. Sort of applying low block whenever the opposition moving into the little pocket of spaces there.
Yeah, they seem to be a bit more composed, but they're just saying, well, he was issued a yellow card to Pedro, so the referee was spot on there. I think that was an easy one for him. Stopping an attack, no attempt to play the ball.
That was across the face of the goal. No blue shirts to follow it up. But once again, we're keeping it alive here. Karbi and Long. A bit of pressure once again applied on the turn. Joseph, the one from Karbi.
I thought he got away with it. Obviously, the assistant referee with a better view of it.
Into the air, should be cleared away. Manavir and Durand doing pretty much well. A good tearing in the heart of the defence. Chance here, Hemba, little pressure. He's got good matchup, Hemba with Gigi. This is the third time that the Bodoland is participating in the Indian Oil Durand Cup. Good luck ball in. Once again, bit of miscommunication, but finally, Birfan doing well.
Yeah, Durand probably should have given his defender a shout earlier, but the defender doing very well. If you don't hear anything from your goalkeeper, you've got to get up there, do your job, and he did that very well.
That creative player.
Yeah, I think they want him to get on the ball as much as possible, be the outlet for them as they build up from the back. He's asking a lot. A player of his age should probably be the one to be available to pick it up off of the back foot and also be that creative presence in the final third of the field. It's very tough conditions to be that sort of box-to-box player, which in this game has not quite had the support from his other two midfielders.
It's a turn. They need to hold up.